That seashell's not broken?
No. Sometimes seashells get broken by waves.
Sometimes the seashells get broken by waves, that's right.
Yeah. The seashell that Bobby built. Hey, my mommy. Fix this seashell, mommy.
You need to fix it?
Yeah.
Can you show me your beach house?
Okay. I'm playing with that, mommy.
You do?
Yeah.
What is that?
A beach.
A beach?
Yeah.
Who made the beach for you?
Mommy.
Yeah. Do you know who made the real beach we're going to go visit?
Daddy.
See, God.
Dad.
Yeah. Jesus. Are you having fun with the pretend beach that Mama made?